Hey viewers, welcome to this channel. This is the Luo English Dictionary channel. In this channel, I'm trying to teach my daughter how to speak Luo, but I'm also trying to teach everyone out there how to speak Luo. So today we're going to talk about, actually this is a continuation of a video that just went off because we record with the DSLR camera and it has 10 minutes, it only gives us 10 minutes, and because we are two people, we can't tell how long it has taken. So what happened is we just had a click and then the other video just went. So we shall upload the first video and label it as part A, and then this will be part B. So if you are watching this for the first time, this is part B, so please look for part A. Thank you. One more thing, please. Oye. Subscribe. Oh, where's your subscribe button? Which one? Oye. See that? Where's your subscribe button? I told you. Yeah, put it. Tell people to subscribe, surely.
Subscribe to this channel. Make sure you put the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post every single maybe weekend or week.
And if you're hearing someone is coughing, please wish her quick recovery. That's her mom. She's sick. Woo. So today we talk about chewing. We were talking about chewing before the camera clicked. Chewing. And we said that chewing has many meanings. Which ones do you remember?
I remember.
Ah! What do you remember?
I remember.
One. See? Teaching is not joke. I struggle. See, always my notes.
Chuny talk.
Chuny talk. What does it mean?
It means
Nothing exists like Chuny talk. Chuny tech.
Chuny tech.
So Chuny tech means what?
Someone has their heart.
What is wrong with their heart?
They are like they just say the same answer repeatedly. Yes, like that.
So, if you've not seen the other videos, I'll just go through them again.
Duogo chun.
Duogo chun. Encourage or revive. Here, read this.
Jiwo chun.
Jiwo chun. What?
Take courage.
Take courage.
Omo chun.
Omo chun.
Mon. Ter chuni mos.
Ter chuni. Say chuni.
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 Ter chuni mos.
Ter chuni mos.
Because it's also important to get the tonation, okay? So that means that. Nano mano. Thank you. Oh.
Chunya lewa or adwa ngok.
What does that mean?
I want to vomit.
Now you do. Pop.
Chunye pek. He is heavy of heart.
Thank you.
Chunye oto. He's lost of heart.
He's lost hat.
He's lost heart. Chunye osea. He's given up. He's given up or
He's lost interest.
interest, yeah.
Chunye ose a. Chunye ose a.
Chuny or chot.
Ochot, not
Ochot.
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 And ochot is a bad word. Ochot. Say ochot.
Ochot.
Chot.
Chot.
Yes.
He
And
has died.
He's died. Yes.
Chuny or the mabor.
Chuny odi mabor.
Chuny or the mabor.
That means
Lost
con.
consciousness.
Yeah.
Or almost fatal.
Yep. And this was the last one.
Chuny luedo. Paul.
See this part? This part is called Chuny luedo. Say Chuny luedo.
Chuny luedo.
Chuny Chuny luedo.
Chuny luedo.
Chuny luedo.
Chuny luedo.
Thank you. How many chuny can you remember?
I can remember chun olewa.
Chunya lewa.
Chuny alewa.
What does it mean?
Vomiting.
I want to vomit.
Yeah.
Any other?
Chunye tek.
What does that mean? Heavy of heart.
Yeah.
Any other chuny?
Chuny luedo.
What does it mean? Palm of the hand. Good. So please subscribe. As I'm going to turn off the camera, Nikki will just give you a outro.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If you liked, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe. Please subscribe and turn on the, please subscribe. And turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post each and every single
Can I bring the notification bell?
Yes.
Bing. Notification bell.
Turn on your notification bell to never miss a video. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Low English Dictionary. For now, Oriti. Bye.